The Mediterranean region, a cradle of civilization rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Yet beneath this idyllic facade lies a volatile heart, a testament to Earth's raw power. This region, where tectonic plates collide and clash, is home to a fiery necklace of volcanoes, some dormant, some active, and all a reminder of the immense forces shaping our planet. These volcanoes, scattered across the Mediterranean landscape, are not merely geological wonders. They are potent reminders of nature's capriciousness, capable of shaping civilizations and altering the course of history. For millennia, the Mediterranean people have lived in the shadow of these fiery giants. They have witnessed their destructive fury and their life-giving fertility. They have woven myths and legends around them, a testament to their awe and fear. The very land they inhabit is a product of these volcanoes, sculpted by eruptions over eons. From the fertile slopes of Vesuvius to the stunning cliffs of Santorini, the legacy of volcanoes is etched into the Mediterranean landscape. Today, as the Earth continues its restless geological dance, two volcanoes stand out, their recent activity a stark reminder of the forces lying dormant beneath the surface. Santorini in Greece, an island forever scarred by its violent past, and Campi Flegrei in Italy, a vast caldera system capable of unleashing unimaginable destruction. These two volcanoes, separated by hundreds of miles, are linked by a shared tectonic heritage and the potential to unleash chaos on a regional, even global scale. Their awakening serves as a potent reminder. We are not merely observers of Earth's power but participants in a dynamic and ever-changing system. Understanding these volcanoes, their past and their present, is crucial not just for scientific curiosity, but for the very survival of millions living in their shadow. As we delve into the heart of these volcanic systems, we gain a deeper understanding of our planet and our place within its grand, often unpredictable, design. Santorini. The very name evokes images of whitewashed villages perched atop volcanic cliffs, the Aegean Sea shimmering below. Yet beneath this picture postcard beauty lies a history as turbulent as the volcano that birthed it. Around 3,600 years ago, Santorini was the stage for one of the most catastrophic eruptions in human history. The Minoan eruption, as it is known, unleashed a cataclysm that sent shockwaves across the ancient world. The island, once whole, was shattered, its center collapsing into the sea, leaving behind a vast caldera, a stark reminder of nature's destructive power. The eruption triggered tsunamis that ravaged the eastern Mediterranean, forever altering the geopolitical landscape. The very civilization that lent its name to the eruption, the Minoans, a maritime power that dominated the Aegean, was decimated, its legacy buried under layers of ash and pumice. Today, Santorini slumbers, but it is a restless sleep. Recent years have seen an uptick in seismic activity, a stark reminder that the beast beneath the surface is far from extinct. Thousands of earthquakes have rattled the island, some strong enough to be felt by residents and tourists alike, a constant tremor serving as a harbinger of potential unrest. The ground beneath Santorini is deforming, subtly but measurably, as magma accumulates deep within the volcano's plumbing. Fumaroles, vents releasing volcanic gases, have shown changes in their emissions, a telltale sign that the volcano is experiencing internal pressure changes. Scientists, armed with an array of instruments, are closely monitoring these vital signs, attempting to decipher the language of the volcano and predict its next move. The million-dollar question remains, is this recent activity merely a blip in the volcano's long life? Or is it a prelude to a new eruptive cycle? The answer, hidden deep within the Earth, remains elusive, a stark reminder of the challenges faced by those who study these volatile forces of nature. Across the Mediterranean, beneath the bustling streets of Naples and its surrounding towns, lies another volcanic giant, one whose potential for destruction dwarfs even that of Santorini. Campi Flegrei, or Burning Fields in Italian, is not a single volcano but a vast caldera, a cauldron-like depression formed by a colossal eruption tens of thousands of years ago. Unlike Santorini's dramatic cone, Campi Flegrei is a more subtle, insidious threat, its danger hidden beneath a seemingly placid landscape. The last time Campi Flegrei unleashed its full fury, some 39,000 years ago, it plunged Europe into a volcanic winter, blanketing the continent in ash and fundamentally altering the course of human prehistory. The eruption is believed to have contributed to the decline of the Neanderthals, their demise overshadowed by the sheer scale of the volcanic catastrophe. Since then, Campi Flegrei has been relatively quiet, its slumber punctuated by periods of unrest that have kept scientists on edge. In recent times, Campi Flegrei has begun to stir once more. The ground beneath Naples is rising, a phenomenon known as bradyseism, caused by the pressure of rising magma deep within the caldera. Hundreds of tremors have shaken the region, some strong enough to cause alarm among the local population. The threat posed by a potential eruption at Campi Flegrei is significant. Pyroclastic flows, superheated avalanches of gas and ash, could race across the landscape at hundreds of kilometers per hour, incinerating everything in their path. Ash and gas spewed into the atmosphere could disrupt air travel, impact global climate, and have catastrophic effects on agriculture and human health across Europe and beyond. The Italian authorities, acutely aware of the risks posed by this sleeping giant, are taking steps to prepare for a potential eruption. Evacuation plans are being refined, emergency shelters are being set up, and the population is being educated about the warning signs and necessary precautions. The specter of a major eruption at Campi Flegrei looms large, a constant reminder of the delicate balance between human civilization and the immense forces of nature that shape our planet. A tectonic connection threads beneath the surface. At first glance, Santorini and Campi Flegrei might seem like isolated incidents, two volcanoes acting out their fiery dramas on opposite sides of the Mediterranean. Yet beneath the surface a deeper connection exists, a tectonic thread linking their destinies. Both volcanoes owe their existence to the same geological process, the relentless collision between the African and Eurasian tectonic plates. The African plate, carrying the continent of Africa, is slowly but inexorably pushing northward, grinding against the Eurasian plate. This collision, a slow-motion car crash of unimaginable scale, has been shaping the Mediterranean landscape for millions of years, thrusting up mountain ranges, opening up seas, and creating the very conditions necessary for volcanoes to form. As the African plate dives beneath the Eurasian plate, a process known as subduction, it carries with it water-rich sediments. These sediments, subjected to the intense heat and pressure deep within the earth, release fluids that can lower the melting point of the surrounding rocks, leading to the formation of magma. This magma, less dense than the surrounding rocks, rises towards the surface, creating volcanoes. Santorini and Campi Flegrei, though separated by hundreds of kilometers, are both products of this ongoing subduction process. They are, in a sense, siblings, born from the same geological womb, their destinies intertwined by the relentless movements of the Earth's tectonic plates. This shared tectonic heritage suggests that the recent unrest at both volcanoes may not be a coincidence. The stresses and strains building up within the Earth's crust as the African plate continues its northward journey could be influencing both volcanic systems, increasing the likelihood of eruptions at both locations.